How to add someone on Google Chat. First thing first, make sure to download and install the Google Chat application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to Play Store or App Store depending upon your device, and here you can search for Google Chat. So the application look like this. Simply you can tap on install button and then it will be installed after few seconds. Then tap on open. Once Google Chat opens, you just have to select the Google account that you want to continue the Google Chat applications account with. Then after that, you can tap on the new chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from this section, you can easily search for the person email ID or the username and easily add someone on Google Chat by searching their name. So at the top, as you can see, the search icon is there. You can easily search for the email ID. Let's open it. If we don't find in this way, you can also send the message request by tapping on message request and start chatting or start a new conversation with that person and add them on Google Chat. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.